got a big old pot of water boiling on my Blackstone side burners, so let's make some pasta. Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. If you are new to the Griddle Nation, welcome to the family. This is family style. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a chicken bruschetta pasta using your Blackstone. This is so refreshing, so crazy easy. You guys are going to love the flavors. It's full of cheese and fresh herbs and beautiful tomatoes. I cannot wait to show you, so let's jump right into it. I love making pasta on the Blackstone the same way you guys fry up your Asian style noodles. It is so good. We've got some chicken tenders I already cut up into bite-sized pieces. We got some beautiful tomatoes and fresh basil. You can use any pasta shape you like. But to start this off, you have to have some boiling water. So whether you're doing it in the kitchen, directly on your Blackstone surface, or on your side burners, make sure to start boiling some water. Now let's jump to our tomatoes. I found these gorgeous cocktail tomatoes. We're going to quarter these up, and to that add in some fresh basil. We're going to stack up these basil leaves and give them a roll and chiffonade them into nice little ribbons. Give that a drizzle with some good quality extra virgin olive oil. Season up your tomatoes with some salt and black pepper. Tomatoes love their salt. We're also seasoning up these tomatoes with the new Blackstone Tutto Italiano seasoning. I had the pleasure of working with our product line manager Eric and creating this seasoning blend. It's got every single thing I love in it, Italian. All of these spices blended together make for the most amazing flavor. You guys have to try this. Get it while you can off of the Blackstone products website. Give our tomatoes a toss, and now we're going to slide these aside. While they sit and marinate in that olive oil and the seasonings, they're going to release a lot of juices as they sit on the countertop at room temperature and create a really good juice to add to our pasta. Whenever you're cooking any kind of pasta, you want to be sure to really salt your water nice and good. This is going to help season our pasta. I love the shape for this dish. I think it's a texture thing. I love the curly long ribbons of pasta. It is so delicious. I love the bite to it, and also the way that it looks. It's just gorgeous. Because we're going to be adding this pasta to the Blackstone griddle, you want to cook it shy of 1 minute to the directions on the package. Time to cook our chicken. I've already pre-diced our chicken tenders. You can use chicken breast, chicken tenders, chicken thighs, anything that you want. I'm going to drop down some olive oil onto our Blackstone that we preheated to medium. We're going to add in some garlic paste and our chicken. Give it a quick mix to coat it in that olive oil and garlic. We'll season up our chicken with our Tutto Italiano seasoning and let that begin to sear on every side, giving it a mix here and there until each side is completely cooked. Add in another big drizzle of our garlic paste, turn off our burners, and drop down our pasta. Let this pasta and chicken marry together, toss it all together. We're going to slightly continue to cook our pasta. We're going to add a little extra virgin olive oil. Be sure not to throw away your starchy pasta water. We're going to add in a couple ladles of this. That mixed with our garlic and the seasonings and the olive oil are going to create a really nice light and thin sauce. You'll also notice that that starchy pasta water adds a beautiful glaze and shine to our pasta. Once we have all of that married together, we're going to pull it off and plate it up. We're going to top this off with some freshly grated Belgosio Parmesan cheese. Load it up, and I always say the more cheese the better, which means we're also going to be adding more cheese. I have some Belgosio burrata cheese. If you know me, you know I love my burrata cheese. It's a mozzarella ball filled with some shredded mozzarella and cream that just oozes out. Since it's only 18 degrees out here today, I'm going to share a little trick with you to get that soft cream on the inside of this burrata. We've drained off the liquid water that comes in the burrata package. Add in a ladle or two to fill up our container of burrata cheese and quickly cover it and let this sit for a couple minutes. It's going to warm up the inside of the cheese so that cream really oozes out. We're going to use a little extra ladle of that starchy, salty pasta water that we added all that grated cheese to. Now let's grab our tomatoes and dump these right across the top of our cheesy pasta. All of that juice from the tomatoes, we're going to garnish it with some fresh basil leaves that I'm gonna leave whole. We're gonna top this off with our burrata cheese balls. And since it's nice and warmed up on the inside, let's break open our cheese and let some of that cream come out. This way, when everybody takes a bowl of this, they can take a little piece of the mozzarella ball and that nice creamy cheese on the inside. Season up your burrata and tomatoes and entire dish with an extra drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a nice post-dusting of our Blackstone Tutto Italiano, and this looks like heaven. Except before we dive into this, we're going to drizzle it with a nice balsamic glaze, and that, my friends, is a simple chicken bruschetta or bruschetta pasta that you guys can cook at home on your Blackstone. Cook it up family style. I cannot wait to see who makes this in the Griddle Nation, and when you do, don't forget to post a picture and tag Blackstone Products and Griddle Nation and tag me, Blackstone Betty, so that I can personally drool over your pictures. I hope you guys enjoy this just as much as me and my family do here. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video.